Can you see me? I made him a birthday card. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, I'm Paul from Nottingham, UK.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm from El Paso, Texas, and I'm currently using the eufy E25 robot vacuum.
Hello, I'm Justice. I have the eufy NVR security system.
Hello, my name is Angelica Leinheiser, and I am a breastfeeding mother.
Top ones, it would be the quad live view. So on this you can actually view 4 cameras at once, which is a fantastic feature.
The best experience I've had with it is going to go ahead and be how great of a suction in turbo mode it does for pet parents, as I am one of them.
And I really enjoy it because it allows me to monitor multiple locations while also having a better eye on my kids while they're playing in the backyard.
With my eufy E20s, one of the world's first pumps with heat flow technology. It's for better flow, less clogs. It's so comfortable.
Not only do I use my eufy smart lights for decoration, I also integrate them with my eufy security cameras to deter thieves.
My wife's palms aren't effective, so she loves using the door lock and uses it like a champ.
Catching things like birds and mice, rather than just having them to catch unfortunate events like crime.
That I realized that the eufy had become such a best friend to me. It's so easy. It makes my job so much easier.
I get to enjoy date nights with my husband, and it's truly so freeing to be fully present while still caring for my baby's needs.
My eufy surely was a life changer. As soon as I switched to this pump, my supply doubled, and I now have over 2,000 ounces frozen.
The eufy robot vac has solved very important cleaning challenges for me and my family.
I can set this thing during the day or at night, and it gives me so much time back with my kid.
Beyond cleaning, the RoboVac has been a ton of fun for our family. The kids love it and tend to follow it around sometimes.
Happy birthday!
The eufy RoboVac has definitely been a life changer.
Give me peace of mind that my house and my property are safe at all times.
Awesome door lock.
Perfection.
eufy RoboVac is a great product.
Intelligence that knows you.